Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company KlaiyiHair. But before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, turn those notifications on because you don't want to miss out on any of my videos. Now, this is their 18-inch Waterwave headband unit. This is what it looks like straight out of the package. Of course, the waves look really nice and pretty, but I like to go in and wash just so I can see what the true texture is going to be like after it dried. And this is what it is looking like. And I did wash it using my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, and I did end up using some Sleek and Shine leave-in conditioner just to kind of set the waves. This is an average cap size. It is a little bit big on me, so I have to make sure to adjust it right. I really do not like to use that top comb, so if I wanted some extra security, I would definitely go in with a wig grip just so that I can make sure it's not going to slip and slide. But that is what it looks like at the top of the headband unit. The hair comes like a little bit over, just slightly over, but I do feel like you can definitely just rock this with the black headband. Now, to break those waves apart, I am going to go in with my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, just kind of fluff it up a little bit. This definitely has some good density to it. Now, when I molded it down after it air dried, it did not look as thick, but once I start to fluff it up, this is a really nice density to where you aren't going to have to worry about it being too thin, but it's also not super heavy. So this is what the 18-inch is looking like on me. I definitely feel like the 18-inch is a perfect everyday length, especially in this texture. I just think it looks really nice and pretty. The density looks good from the back. Now you can get this unit at 14 inches and then 26 inches is the longest length on the website. I'm gonna be showcasing this floral headband that I already have in my stash. I have plenty of headbands, so I decided to just showcase this one. I thought it would look really pretty and it would go well with the top that I am rocking. And I know it's going to cover the headband up all the way. So I'm just going to go ahead and adjust it. You could definitely pick up some affordable headbands off of Amazon. You can also pick up some from your local beauty supply store. You can find some at Walmart. You do not have to spend a lot when it comes to these headbands, but I like switching them up just because it kind of gives you a different look, and there's just so many things that you can do with it. So this is what it looks like if I just wanted to rock it down. I love this Waterwave, y'all. It's just so pretty, very easy for me to run my fingers through. Now I did end up getting a couple of snags and it did get a little bit more frizzy as I started to run my fingers through it more, but it's just very easy to maintain. So I really didn't think that this one was a lot of maintenance. So I'm gonna play around with a few styles, just kind of put the hair up. Now, I was not able to turn around and show you guys what it looked like from the back just because the wig was big on me. So it was coming up a lot in the back. I will say that can be a con for the headband wigs, especially if it doesn't fit you well. Then if you're trying to rock an updo, then it can start slipping and sliding all over the place. So you want to be really careful when choosing a size or seeing what the size is from each company. But I decided to show what this side ponytail looked like. This side ponytail is so cute. And it was the right density. It wasn't too much. I just wish that it wasn't coming up as much in the back so I could have turned around. But you guys can imagine what it would look like if it fit really good. This ponytail is cute. And I am going to do a messy ponytail. Like, it was really messy. So I did not want to do anything perfect. Of course, you can get this as perfect as possible. And y'all see that when I just kind of put it up and the waves kind of fell in my face? Oh yeah, that was a whole vibe also. But I just kind of tucked it. I'm gonna move the hair a little bit. You could definitely pin some to the side. I'm not the queen of the buns, but when it comes to messy styles, I definitely love them because I just think that they look really effortless. And that's what it's looking like. You can definitely throw on some hoop earrings. Definitely was feeling this because I had to have a whole little selfie session. Like, yes, girl, you better work that. And then I'm going to take the messy bun out and then just rock it into a regular ponytail. Waterwave texture was bomb on this. I did get some minimal shedding, and like I said, I did get a couple of snags, but nothing that I feel like I couldn't take care of. I know that there are some headband units that are super expensive. You feel like you are breaking the bank when it comes to it, but there are also some good quality affordable ones, and this one is very affordable for this length. So guys, let me know what you think about this headband unit, if you are feeling this texture, if you are feeling the styles. If you are, I'm going to make sure to leave all the links down below. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.
Taking time out